For this particular blouse, we are going to start with the pattern drafting, and I have simplified this tutorial in a way that even a beginner can understand, so pay attention. So now I went ahead to mark out my measurements. My shoulder to nipple is 11, my shoulder to underbust is 15, and then my shoulder to waist is 18. And for this particular blouse, you would notice that it extends all the way to your hip line. So the full length of this blouse is my hip line. And my shoulder to my hip line is 28 inches, which is 10 inches from my waist. Then I marked my shoulder divided by 2, which is 8. And then I came up by 2 inches on my bust point to get my chest line. Now I'm going to mark my standard neckline, which is 3 by 3, and I'm just going to connect that for now. Then I'm going to now find my shoulder slope, and I'm going to mark that down as well. Now my bust span is 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So I'm going to go ahead and impute that down from my bust point all the way to my hip line. And I'm going to go ahead and connect the lines together. Now we are going to take our underbust dart. Before then, I'm going to divide whatever I have remaining on my shoulder slope by 2, and I'm going to connect it to my nipple line. So for this particular blouse, we'll be making use of a shoulder dart as well. Now for my underbust dart, I'll be taking in 1 inch on both sides, and I'm also going to do the same thing on the hip line. So after marking 1 inch on both sides of my underbust to my hip, I went ahead to connect the lines together. Now I also went in with my curved ruler to connect it to my bust point, just the way you can see. Now go ahead and determine where you would actually want the neckline